In this video, we will learn how to use Xlookup in Excel sheet. So let's start this in my Excel sheet. I have here data, HSN code, product name, monthly sales, and total sales column. Here I am. Here I am using the Xlookup to get the output of product and total sales as per the HSN code. So I'm using here the Xlookup is equal to Xlookup lookup value HSN code lookup array is must be matched with the lookup value. Means lookup value is adjacent code, its lookup array will be adjacent code column. Return array. Return array means output. What you want here the output. So I want here output product and total sales as per the adjacent code. So I want to select these two column product and total sales. So therefore I'm using here the one more function of Excel choose using the curly bracket column 2 1 and 2 if column 3 1 2 comma 3. So I'm using here only two column, so bracket close with the curly bracket, then comma, select the first column, comma, select the second column, and bracket close two time and I just enter. That's it. Here you can see the product and total sales amount is show here as per the adjacent code. So here the adjacent code is a XYZ004 speaker is a product and total sales is a C 5,83,300, 5,83,300. If I change here a HSN code, then output also change as per the adjacent code. Here the second way I will show here, lookup value is a product here and output we want adjacent code and total means these two, sorry, this adjacent code column and total sales. Here also I am using the Xlookup tab. Lookup value is a product, comma, lookup array is a product column, comma, return array. Here we want to select the two column, so I'm using here the choose function tab, selecting the two columns. So I just 1 comma 2 comma using first curly bracket, then 1 comma 2 comma curly bracket, then comma adjacent code column, comma total sales, bracket close and just enter. That's it. Here you can see the adjacent code and total sales value as per the product. If I change here the product name, the adjacent code also changed and total sales amount also changed as per the product name. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.